Should you co-sign for anyone? What's up, YouTube? This is your credit cousin, Brian Keith. And in today's episode, we are talking about co-signing. But before we get into the episode, I want to share with you guys our new subscribers. Down at the bottom, big shout outs to all of our new subscribers. And yes, we are celebrating hitting over 750 subscribers. So big shout outs to you all. Okay. Also, last week, you all know that I was hacked. And so I came up with this idea that guess what? I need some type of assurance or insurance. And guess what? Smart Credit offers $1 million in identity fraud insurance. In the description below, if you want to sign up for Smart Credit and get you some identity fraud insurance, it will be links in the description. Now, I had a conversation with one of my kids, and they wanted me to co-sign for a loan. Now, this one particular child of mine, we've been having conversations over the last couple of months about establishing credit, buying cars, things of that nature. Now, in the comment section, how do you guys feel about co-signing for loans? Now, I'm going to give you my take. When I was talking to my child, I was saying to him, listen, in order for me to put my credit on the line, we're going to have to do a couple of things. One of the things, we're going to have to open up a joint checking account, and I'm going to need you to deposit. Okay, the car, I think it was like $300. And so he get paid bi-weekly. So I was telling him, we're going to open up this joint account. I'm going to need you to deposit $150 bi-weekly. This is the only way I would be willing to put my name and my credit on the line. Also, I want him to be able to pay the car insurance in full for a whole year, because that's how we do it over here in the credit cousin family. And he agreed to that as well. But the sad thing about co-signing is this. If I co-sign for my son and he choose to default, not pay, or the car breaks down and there's still monthly payments left on it, I'm left holding the bag. So, like I told my son, I said, well, I'll give it a shot. You know, growing up, my family wouldn't co-sign for me. But in this day and age, in order for your kids to establish some credit, you know, the banks aren't willing to give a person any credit when they don't have any credit. You can have a job, you can have income, but if you don't have anything on your file, the banks, they really not trying to work with you. So I told my son, I said, you know, I'll give it a shot. So I just wanted to make this video and ask the question to you all. Would you co-sign for someone? Now, on the Credit Cousin YouTube channel, we believe in paying our bills on time. And like I was telling my son, any mishap, your car would be on Craigslist for sale. I do not play about my credit, nor do I pay or play with my money or play with the bank's money. Over here, we have a lot of banking partners that's partnering with the Credit Cousin YouTube channel. And I don't see myself messing up with my credit partners over a little $300 car payment. So, once again, family, this has been your Credit Cousin Brian Keith. Please, if this video has added any value to you or gave you something to think about, give me one of these, a thumbs up. If you have any comments or concerns, down at the bottom, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to answer your comments. If you're viewing this channel for the first time, please join the channel. We are growing. And once again, I just tell you all to be kind to one another and be blessed. Until our next episode, this has been your Credit Cousin Brian Keith.